Good morning, sir. This is Ekka, and our project is electrical scooter case study. We collected this all information. So our project members are Shiva Kumar Nagesh, Yogesh Kumar Nag, me, and Toshan Kanwar. So let's start. So for first question, uh, top 10 features for the app in electrical scooter. So first one is real-time battery level and range prediction. Second one is integrated map. And third one is a secure document storage and access. Fourth one is ride history and statistical tracking. Sixth one is social media sharing of rides. Sixth one is GPS navigation with route planning. Seven one is a smart charging status and reminder. Uh, Eight one is vehicle diagnostic and maintenance alert. 9.1 is emergency contact feature and customize. 10.1 is customization operation. So according to us, top five features that we feel most important. So let's discuss first one, real-time battery level and range prediction. So why we need to feel this most important? So it why it matters, right? Need to know if they can reach their destination without getting started. How it helps: source current, starts estimated kilometers left based on terrain, rider style and traffic. What is the bonus point of this? Build rider trust and reduce range anxiety, common fear in EV users. The second one is integrated Google Maps. So why it matters? Most users already trust Google Maps, and it provides accurate routes, live traffic and ETA. And third one is secure document storage and access. So why it matters? Rider often carry documents like registration, insurance, and license. Digitally storing them in super handy. Fourth one is smart charging status and reminders. Why it matters? Charging issue are one of the top customer complaints. How it helps: sends alert when the scooty is fully charged, charging abnormally, or if a charge is missed. Fifth one is GPS navigation with route planning. So why it matters? Rider need optimized path, shortest, fastest, or battery friendly. How it helps? Route planning with range consideration, avoid getting stuck my way. So let's discuss second question. Second one is how it designing consideration for storage features. So let's discuss aspect for of foundation designing. First one, access control and user roles. A user who is able to submit documents like owner, fleet administration, authorized writer. So access rights, verity that the various role admin, user, and mechanic have the proper access. For example, insurance paperwork should only be uploaded by the owner. Document type that must be supported: a driver license, insurance, registration documents, pollution certificates, and maintenance legs are a few examples. File type supported PDF, JPG, and PNG. So third one, connectivity of devices. The tablet dashboard for viewing and the mobile app for uploading must signing as samely. For bad network condition, take into account local caching and cloud synchronization. So how it helps in storage architecture design. So first one is storage in cloud. Use secure, scalable storage like AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, or Azure Blob Storage. Organization folders, yeah, or buckets per user, yeah, per vehicle. The second one is database. Use a relation DB or NoSQL, Firebase Dyno, Dynamo DB to store documents, metadata type, uploaded time, expiry date. The third one is API gateway. RESTful or GraphQL APIs to upload and fetch documents, authenticate requests, and ensure proper versioning. Fourth one is synchronization logic, auto synchronization to the vehicle table when online. Local coach on the tablet with expiration for offline access. So,
So, good morning, sir. Myself, Toshan. So, let's talk about third question. So, in third question, we have to give the potential user, two potential user, any issue which the customer has complained about. So, let's talk about. So, first major issue is long charging time and inconsistent battery. So, as we know, battery is very essential part in any electrical vehicle. So, the main reasons are battery degradation, poor charging hardware, no battery balancing. Like what do you think if your battery are too many batteries, not too many good, as like we have our phone, like your phone have a 3000 battery, 3000 mAh. So how it like we, it is the worst condition, you know. So this is the major reason, this is the major issue what the customer can complain about. So what the test we can consider? So first test is the fast charging test. So as charging, we know we need fast charging. So second one is battery drain simulation. So how the battery is draining, like like in 2 year, 3 year, or 4 year, how much the battery drains? Like if the battery is 100% today, so in next 4th year, the battery would be more than 80%. So it considered good. So this is the one of the another test. Another test is long-term degradation test. So in long term, like in next 10 years or 20 years, how the battery performs. So this is the major test. And the second one is app notification delay. So how this is a main customer problem. So as like the, so let's think if in my app, like WhatsApp. So if WhatsApp, in WhatsApp the messages are coming two delays, like the WhatsApp need to come at 1:30 p.m. and it's come to 2 p.m. What has happened? So is the basic, very basic reason why the customers complain. So this is the main issue happens, like poor cloud sync. So like issue maybe issue in cloud, the data not come from cloud, inefficient backend polling, like the backend is not working properly. So what's the test? So the test can be real time update latency test. What the latency, like the data is coming in real time or not? State test server load, like the server is good or not? Offline syncing handling, like the if the server is offline, so in how much time it comes online? So let's, this is the good answer, I know. Let's coming to the next point, next answer. Okay, so our next question is, we have to give a P1 and P2 ranking. We have to as you know, we consider a first question in which we give 10 features. So let's prioritize them. So our first priority is real-time battery level and range prediction. So why it's need, why the reason? As you know, the battery is the main core functionality in EV vehicle. Battery consider how the where a core riding functionality works. So second one is GPS navigation with route planning. So GPS is very essential, as we know. If in our phone there is no GPS, how we know where we want to go and where we currently. So third feature is smart charging status reminder. So our battery and our system should be like when our battery goes to like 20% or below, it goes to the reminder, so that we directly charge or found some address to charge the battery. So next one is secure document storage and access. So why this is a good feature? As like we are going to another city when don't have a physical document, so we can use this software like document to work for this. So next is emergency contact feature. Why emergency contact feature is too much crazy? Because as we know, like accident might be happen, anyone anytime might be accident. So it is a very safety critical reason why we need to give it prioritize. So next is which is come in P2 priority. So coming to the seventh, ride history and status tracking. So this is a very good feature, as you know. So why you need to consider this reason? So we have insight for tech savvy riders. Okay. So coming to the next point, we have integrated Google Maps. So why we need integrated Google Maps? For navigation included in previous point, like where we have currently and where we want to go. The basic feature. So coming to the 10th, social media sharing of ride. So why it is reason? Engagement not necessary, as this is not a necessary for engagement, like we can't share anything right now in when we are in a bike. So this is not a good feature, so it considered in 10th position.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Yogesh Kumar Nag. Coming to answer number 6 part, data integration problem. After discussing my friends, we have problem. We have faced many problems like low bandwidth or latency from the scooter to cloud, non-optimized APIs for mobile app, and insufficient data storage schema. We have discussed improvement like USMPTT or web sockets for real-time updates, edge computing on scooter for pre-processing, caching on mobile and cloud with smart sync. Coming to next question, which is data intelligence and ML use cases. We have collect data, speed, battery usage, terrain type, driving behavior, charging habits, fault logs, and serving reports. In ML use cases, predictive maintenance, usage patterns, smart route recommendation, and caching on mobile and cloud with smart sync. Use cloud CDNs to push OTA and updates. In AI use cases, we use chatbot for support, adaptive AI based on ride behavior, alert optimization using anomaly detection.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shiva Kumar Nagesh. So let's discuss question number 9, business matrices. These matrices focus on the financial and market performance of the new scooter, sales growth rate, market shares, and profit margin per vehicle. In sales growth rate, measures the increase in numbers of units sold month on month. Target 50% of sale in the first 6 months compared to the previous season. Indicates the company's position electric scooter market. Target move from 4th to at least second place with 1 year of launch. Profit margin Profit margin per vehicle calculates the profit made per scooter sold. In this point, we target shift from 10% loss to at least 10% profit per unit. Let's begin the second part of the question, the evolution and future of the electric vehicles. In early days, the early days pre 2010s, limited range and speed, early EVs like the GM EV1 had low battery capacity and short range, approx 100 kilometers, high cost, low adoption, batteries were expensive, infrastructure and almost no touch distance. Basic features, no smart connectivity, minimal digital integration. But in the present time, the smart EV era, 2020s, improved batteries, lithium ion technology, fast charging, and the range is increased at 300 to 500 kilometer range. Smart integration, app controls, OTA updates, and many of the things, digital dashboards, etc. Rising adoption, battery of affordability, government acceptance, growing EV ecosystem, sustainability focus. EV is seen as key to reduce carbon footprint and pollution. This is a So this is our research about this project, case study. So this is a quote, world full of wisdom that someone important said and can make the reader get inspired. This is from Michael Ekka, our team member. So thank you.
So hello guys, if you want to contact me, just my email ID written in the PPT. Contact by okay.